Today, we will talk about how to remove moss from grass. Let's have a look at the details. Moss is a type of plant that grows in large clumps or mats, and it can be unsightly if you have it in your yard or on your home. Luckily, there are easy ways that you can get rid of moss from any area, with just a few simple tools. If you need to remove moss from a lawn, rake it or use chemicals to kill it before treating your soil. If you have moss growing on bricks, walls, or pavement, you can try scraping it off or cleaning it with a pressure washer. For moss that's growing on your roof, try to clean off as much as you can before applying cleaning solutions. The first method is removing moss from your lawn. Drag a rake over the moss to break apart small clumps. Moss doesn't have an established root system, so it breaks apart easily. Pick up the moss you removed and throw it in the trash or a compost bin. You can also buy special dethatching blades for your lawnmower that can tear up moss over large areas. Sprinkle iron sulfate on the moss if it doesn't rake up easily. Iron sulfate, also known as ferrous sulfate, dries mosses out without killing grass, so you can easily remove them. Water the lawn only when needed to prevent moss from forming. Rather than watering your lawn daily, wait until the grass shows signs of stress. When the grass has a dull bluish-gray color or your footprints are still visible after walking through it, then you should water again. Stop watering before puddles form on your lawn, or else moss may come back. Run an aerator over your lawn if you have compacted soil. Compacted soil can trap moisture above ground and cause moss to form in your lawn. Spread lime throughout your lawn if you have acidic soil. Moss grows better on top of acidic soil, but you can raise the pH by spreading garden lime, also known as limestone. The second method is killing moss on walls or pavement. Use a sharp knife to cut out moss from cracks in pavement or walls. This works well for removing moss from driveways, sidewalks, and pavers. Spray a vinegar or bleach solution on moss to help break it apart. A vinegar or bleach solution also works to prevent moss from growing back on the surface. This works well if you want to remove moss from bricks, walls, pavers, or concrete. Scrape moss off with a stiff bristled brush to clean small areas. You can use your brush on textured or flat surfaces without causing any damage. Use a pressure washer if you want to remove moss quickly. Pressure washers take water from your hose and shoot it out at high speeds to break apart stuck-on debris. Work in short back and forth strokes across the moss to remove it. And the third method is cleaning moss off your roof. Spray water on the moss with a low-pressure hose to see if it breaks off. Screw a standard jet attachment to the end of your garden hose to use for moss removal. Focus on large clumps of moss while you're cleaning, since they'll break off the easiest. Don't use a pressure washer to remove moss from shingles, since you could damage them. Scrub your roof with a brush while it's wet to clean stuck-on moss. If you don't feel comfortable cleaning moss off of your roof, hire a professional roofing service to clean it for you. Spray a bleach and water solution on the moss for the most effective treatment. You can scrub your roof with a cleaning brush after you rinse off the solution to help remove more moss. Install strips of zinc or copper along the roof ride to kill moss in the future. Zinc and copper are toxic to moss, so rainwater that runs over the metal will prevent any spores from growing on your roof. Prune overhanging tree limbs to prevent moss from forming again. Moss grows the best in shady areas from tree branches and limbs. If you have large, heavy limbs, contact a professional service to remove them for you. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.